Hey everyone, welcome back to Treehouse Garden. It's Kimberly here. Today's video is going to showcase how I filled my new raised Olle beds. So join me today as I show you what to put in the bottom, the middle, the top, and the supplements to add to make sure you have a great Olle growing season. Thanks for joining me today at the Treehouse Garden. Once my Olle bed was leveled in the spot I wanted it, I used my packing material from the Olle beds that I took all of the staples out, all of the tape off, and I filled the bottom of my bed. Once my Olle bed was filled with cardboard on the bottom, I raked a bunch of leaves from my yard and dumped them on top of the cardboard. I then topped the leaves with some garden topsoil. On top of the garden topsoil, I'm going to put some worm castings. And last but not least, I'm going to top the beds with some organic raised bed soil. I mixed the two top layers in and leveled it out the best I could, and it's ready for planting.